The Roof-Mate coating system is very easy to apply and comes with a 15-year warranty. Instead of tearing off the roof, save money by repairing and restoring the existing roof in 3 steps. Just prep, seal, and coat. When installing roof coatings, it's important to understand the warranty details and have the tools needed to apply the product. It's very important to first identify the surface that's being coated. For covering metal, here's what's needed. When prepping metal, start by pressure washing the roof. Then prime with Acrylex 400 over any rusty areas. To seal the roof, use Roof-Mate Buttergrade Flashing and Roof-Mate Fabric to cover penetrations. Use Roof-Mate Seam Tape to reinforce seams. Now it's ready to coat. Apply a layer of Roof-Mate Base Coat. Then apply a layer of Roof-Mate Top Coat to finish the job. As an alternative, it's possible to skip the base coat and simply do 2 layers of Roof-Mate Top Coat. GAF Roof Shield coating is now being offered and is a more cost-effective solution than the Roof-Mate system, yet still provides 12 years of warranty coverage. Roof Shield works for repairs, but it's highly recommended for preserving roofs that are not leaking and in good shape. For both Roof-Mate and Roof Shield coatings, we provide 5-gallon buckets that cover approximately 100 square feet per gallon, while our primers cover approximately 200 square feet per gallon. To find out more about GAF coatings, visit gaf.com.